Hello class 9 students. Today in computer subject you will learn chapter 6, that is introduction to Microsoft Excel. In this chapter you will learn what is spreadsheet, various features of the Microsoft Excel, various components of the Microsoft Excel, how to creating, saving and opening a workbook, and editing and formatting a worksheet. So this all topic you will learn in this video part 1. First we discuss what is a spreadsheet. So spreadsheet is a computer application. Okay, so this is a software application that consists of multiple cells organized in the form of rows and column. You can see in the image it is a consist of rows and column, and spreadsheet provide the facility to store, organize and perform simple and complex calculation on the data. Okay, it is a very helpful in calculation purpose. We can store a large number of data in a spreadsheet. Okay, it will store in the form of rows that you can see in the image, and in the column also you can see in my image. So hopefully everyone understand what is spreadsheet. Now we talking features of the Microsoft Excel. So like you can see on my screen, auto complete, it will auto complete the words. Like if I am writing the frequently words I am using in Excel sheet, and so I just write the first character, so automatically system will identify and give the complete words for that. And next feature is autocorrect. It will autocorrect my spelling. If I am writing some wrong words, so it will automatically correct it. So it will show the message it is a wrong and automatically correct it. Next feature is selecting range. Okay, so here I will select the range. For example, range, you know about the range, every cell has its own unique range. Like there is a row and column, and every cell has a unique cell. So a system will automatically selecting the range. For example, I will select from A1 to H5. So all the between cells are selected automatically. So these are the features of the Microsoft Excel. We can create the charts, like multiple worksheets are linking with each others. Mainly it is used for calculations. So and many other features are there. We have discussed few of them. Now we talking about Excel basic. You can see in the I have put the screenshot of the Excel sheet, and when you open an Excel, then the first that is a workbook. Okay, so file in a MS Excel is called a workbook. You just very careful the difference between the workbook and worksheet. The file in a Excel, the file of the Excel is known as a workbook, and by default it is a name as a book 1 and book 2. You can see in my image book 1. Okay, by default it is shown as a book 1. So Excel file known as a workbook, and workbook is a consist of rows and column. Now we talking about worksheet. So workbook is made up of various worksheet. Okay, under the workbook, that is Excel sheet. Under the workbook we can create a various worksheet, like worksheet 1, worksheet 2, worksheet 3 and so on. And next is cell. You can see each individual box in a grid of spreadsheet is called cell. Okay, you can see in my image that is G4. This is a one cell. Okay, same way this is a G3. So this is a cell in Microsoft Excel. Now we're talking about active cell. How you know which is the active cell? So in the cell beyond that there is a green line should be drawn. So that means these are the active cell, and you can also see the address of that active cell. You can see my cursor, that is G4. That is the address of the active cell. That is a G is a column and a 4th is a row. So this is the active cell. Cell address, I already explained what is cell address. Now range of the cell, okay, that is A1 to G4. So these are the range of the cell. So group of the cell in the continuous location is called a range of the cell. Okay, so A1 to G4, that is a group of the cell that is in continuous manner, like A1, A2, A3, A4 till G4. So that is known as the range of cell. Hopefully every the basic concepts of MS Excel. Now we're talking about when we open MS Excel. So various components are there. I will explain one by one. First is a title bar. You can see my cursor in the image. By default, book 1 worksheet are there, and this area is known as a title bar. And second is a this is a quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar means those commands are frequently used. We needed that area known as a quick access toolbar. We can also set as per our requirement. Like if I want to hear few, like save command is available, because save is frequently we need to save our Excel sheet. So these are the save command. So whatever the command you want, you can add as per your requirement. So these are the quick access toolbar. Now this area you can see in the image, this area is known as a ribbon. Okay, and ribbon, this area you can see in my cursor. Okay, ribbon is a consist of various tabs. Okay, which tab? That is file, home, insert, page layout. Okay, this all are the tab in MS Excel, and each tab consists of various groups. Okay, you can see file tab, under that various group is available: clipboard, font, alignment, number. So these are the group under the file tab. So same way individual tab in which individual groups are available. Basically this is very helpful whenever I want to give some formatting, so or some editing or whatever the operation we want to perform on the spreadsheet. So through that easily I can perform. So this area is known as the ribbon in Microsoft Excel. Now we are talking about formula bar. You can see my cursor. These are the formula bar. We entered the formula for calculation purpose. And this last is a scroll bar. Whenever I want to scroll my cursor from vertically or horizontally, I will use this is like a horizontal, and this is a vertical. This is sorry vertical, and this is a horizontal scroll bar. Clear? And this is a status bar. It will show the status of my commands. Here also many zoom image is there if I want to increases or decreases. So this are the basic components of the Microsoft Excel. Now we talking about some basic funda of Microsoft Excel, like how to create a or how to open a Microsoft Excel worksheet. So if you want to open the worksheet, so you can see in my image you have to first go into the file tab and click on new options. Okay, when you click on new option, the blank workbook you can show in my image also. Options are there. So you have to just click on options and click on create button. So when you click on create button, the new workbook is open. So after you can save your workbook using the option under the file tab. Save option is there, or you can use the control S command for saving your workbook. Now once you save your workbook, and like if you want to you have closed the workbook, and if you want to reopen your workbook, so that is opening an existing workbook. For that you have to click on file tab, you have to click on open option. For opening an existing workbook, for that you have already worked, the new dialog box is open. You have to find the location where you actually have saved your workbook and on open button. So your existing workbook is open. Okay, so now we're talking about working with a worksheet. So worksheet is an area where actually we work and we perform all calculations. So worksheet is a consist of numbers, text, formula, and date and time. Okay, here I have add some good examples, like valid text. Which are the valid text? You can see valid numbers. Okay, formula start with equal to. So you can see in my screen equal to. Every formula before that you can see the equal to options. Okay, this is a cell like a C4 minus D4, and these are the various valid date and time. Various way we can store the date and time. Now we're talking about various formatting options in worksheet. So one by one we will see. First option is modifying the cell content partially. Like once you edit the data and then after if you want to modify the cell content, then what is the procedure? Procedure is first you have to select the cell. You can see in my screen I have selected first cell. When you selected the cell, the black is a view, you can see the black box are view. Okay, so the color is separately you can view, you have selected. After selecting there is a two option you can do. You can click on F2 key through the keyboard or double click on that, and then after whatever changes you want, you just perform the changes and click on enter. So this way we can edit the partial data in MS Excel. Now we're talking about some different things, that is to select a huge range of cell. Okay, just click at the first cell in the range and press the F8 key to activate the extend selection mode. Sometimes we needed extra rows and column. Okay, for that purpose we are using this, that is extend selections. Okay, so we have to just select the first cell and click on F8 key. So when you click on F8 key, you can see extend selection. You can see in my image this R view. So you can also deactivate it again pressing on F8 key. Now we talking about to select the multiple non-adjacent range of the cell. Okay, previously we have talking about same range of cell. Now we talking about non-adjacent range. Like you can see here I have selected A1 and B4. Okay, till A1 and B4, and in my second group I have selected D2 to F6. So what is the procedure for selecting two different range? Okay, for that you have to, for first range you have to select it like A1 to B4, and then you have to click the control key. Okay, after selecting the control key, keep on selecting another range. Okay, another range I have here D2 to F6. So this way I have selected the non-adjustment range. Now we're talking about copying cell content. So copying cell content, there are various options is available. Like if I want to copy the content, so the first method is we have to go into the home tab on the ribbon. You can see in my screenshot, this is a home tab. Okay, click on the copy option. The copy option is available, so we have to just click on copy options from the clipboard. Okay, once you click on we have to first select the cell whatever you want to copy. So you can see step 1, that is select the cell. Step 2, click on home tab and copy. Okay, so this way copy, we can copy the cell, and if you want to paste then same paste option is also available on home tab. You can see my cursor, that is a paste option. And another shortcut key is Control C for copy. These are the very shortcut key, and Control V for paste. Okay, you can see the same I have continued in this image, that is a paste option is available. So when you paste the whatever the cell that you have selected previously, same will be copy. You can also see in my image. Now we talking about cut and paste. Okay, previously we are talking about copy, but if I don't, I just want to remove from the first place and put on the another place. So for that shortcut key is Control X and Control V. Okay, and second option is we have to same go into the home tab. We have to use the cut command, and we have to use the paste command. So this way use the cut and paste option in Microsoft Excel. You can see in my image also I have cut from here and paste here. Okay, so fully all of these formatting options. Now we're talking about deleting cell. Once you have entered the data, and if you want to delete the data, So what is the process? So various way we can delete, like we have to go into the home tab. Under the home tab there is a group is available, editing group. You can see in my image, these are the editing group. Okay, under the editing group you have to use the command clear. Okay, when you use the command clear, under the clear there is option is available, clear content. Okay, so what is the first option? Select the cell. For example, I have selected here rice. After that you follow these steps. So this so hopefully everyone understand all basic concepts in Microsoft Excel. In my next video you will learn various formatting numbers options, border, adjusting the rows and height, and this all features you will learn in my next video. Thank you.